In this problem, we're going to multiply and simplify 1 and 7 ninths times 3 eighths times 8 fifteenths. So this 1 and 7 ninths right here, this is actually 1 plus 7 over 9. Now, a lot of times people want to write this 1 is 1 over 1, so 1 over 1 plus 7 over 9. And then we need a common denominator. So we see the 1 and the 9. Alright, so 1 times 9 is 9, so the common denominator is going to be 9. So I have to actually multiply by 9 over 9. And since this one is already 9, I don't have to multiply by anything, but I could multiply by 1 over 1 if I wanted to. So 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 9 is 9, 7 times 1 is 7, and 9 times 1 is 9. Now that the denominators are the same, alright, it's all over 9, then the numerator is 9 plus 7, that is 16 over 9. Now, by the way, if you remember the shortcut, a lot of people remember as 9 times 1 plus 7. So 9 times 1 plus 7 over 9. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 7 over 9. 9 plus 7 is 16 over 9. That's a shortcut that does the same thing as this. Alright, so at 1 and 7 ninths is 16 over 9. Then we have times 3 over 8 times 8 over 15. Now, since these are multiplication, we can multiply straight across on the top, sort of how I did here. 1 times 9 is 9 and 7 times 1 is 7, right? And then straight across on the bottom. Remember, this is only because we're multiplying. When we add it, we could not add the denominators together, but we can multiply the denominators together when we're multiplying. Now, I'm going to cancel these 8's because they're the same. So now I just have 16 times 3 over 9 times 15. Now there's a couple ways I can do this, but I'm going to break it down into the lowest term possible, so into the prime factor. So 16 is actually 4 times 4, and each of the 4's is 2 times 2. So 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This 3 right here cannot be broken down any further, so times 3. And I could use again the dot for multiplication or the x, so actually I'll go back to the x to make it the same. And then this 9 right here is 3 times 3. And then the 15 right there is 3 times 5. So now the 3's cancel, and then that is all I see that cancels there. So I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 16, and 3 times 3 times 5 is 45. So the answer here is 16 over 45. I hope that this helped to sort of break this problem down a little bit more.